What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on my buddy's car. He drives this Lexus LS. It's on airbag with some wet crayons wheels, custom red interior, and custom pearl paint job. Some things he wanted me to address and I'll show you guys what they are. Alright, so you can see the crayons have been custom coated. They've been chrome dipped and powder coated in rose gold, but as you can see they're flaking in the middle. So he ended up sanding them down smooth as much as possible because we're going to actually be vinyl wrapping the faces in rose gold. We're going to bring back the wheel just because it's just too expensive to tear this whole wheel apart to strip this down, re-chrome and re-powder coat in chrome rose gold. It's even worse in the front. I guess the heat from the hub and the axle over time causes it to chip. So we're going to go ahead and wrap the faces. We're going to skip wrapping the inner barrels because they're perfectly fine for the most part, and I think just having the faces redone would make this look a lot better than what it was. He does have center caps which are in the car. It's a little humid today and it's a little hot. It's about to pour really bad, as you can see out there. We're about 3-4 o'clock right now in the afternoon, but this needs to be done. I'll show you guys what I did so far. We did one in satin and one in chrome, and I don't know, I like both of them, but let me know what you guys think. This is the chrome rose gold. As you can see, it's way more pink and coppery than the actual plating that he got done years ago. And actually looks pretty damn nice and refinished. Back here is a satin rose gold. You can tell the insides are chrome and the rest is not. This actually looks a lot better. It actually hides the chipped chrome in the middle a lot better than the actual chrome in the front. So yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up on tripod and hopefully it records a lot of the process of doing the wheels. I don't want to go too much into showing you guys step by step on how to do it. It's really straightforward. Hopefully you can pick it up on the camera. I can explain some things afterwards, but anyway, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the wheels are done. They look really good. As you can see, turned out really nice. All we need now is a center cap. So the center cap ended up being like this. It's red with the chrome, as you can see there. We're gonna end up doing rose gold chrome instead of regular chrome to give it some accents. Alright, as you can see, the rose gold chrome and the satin rose gold looks pretty damn nice together. Here's the crayons that I cut out. I literally just traced around all the way through. I didn't cut in every single individual one out because the vinyl is super thick and it dulls the blade instantly. So I went ahead and did that instead. He's fine with it because the faces are already, you know, messed up. So it doesn't matter if I put the razor blade onto the metal. It should be perfectly fine. Alright guys, so there you go. We just finished doing the wheels on this Lexus. If you really enjoyed this video and really like the aspect of vinyl wrapping over painting or powder coating, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're a new viewer, check all the other videos on the channel, and leave a comment if you're really digging the satin rose gold vinyl wrap. All in all, this saves a lot of time and money for the customer and myself. Catch me on the next video when we vinyl wrap this front bumper, just to protect it because it's a daily driven car. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one.